Hello everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to show you how to use my new Rustic wood slice die. So this is going to be a lot of fun. This die is $19.95 and it is one die, but it cuts out the inner part of the slice and then the outer ring. So you'll have to run it through 2 times, but you can get different colors. So that's really fun. So I'm gonna show you how to put it together and a few little tips and tricks. So here I have a wood slice, the inner part that I cut with craft. And then I have the outer ring here. So if you wanna make it a tag, and it's just honestly easier to glue it like this, I just cut out one of my polka dot circle backdrops, and I believe, yeah. So this one that I cut is the second from the biggest, and that will fit behind the wood slice. So what I like to do is I like to just go ahead and first of all, make sure that your wood slice is the correct way. Which you'll be able to tell because the back side is flatter. So I'm just gonna take my Just Glue It, which you can get on my website, and I'm just gonna put some glue dots all around. And then I'm just gonna lay the circle on top of it. And this is good for when you have a tag, you can write on the back. So then you can just place your rings right inside there, and it's really easy. There are a lot of edges, and it's kind of like, where does it match up? Well, Mom actually figured this trick out because she was gluing some of them together for my make and take for Stamp Away, and she came up with this. She figured this out, so all props to her. As you can see on here, there's a little ridge that's kind of more prominent than the others, and they're also closer together than the others, and it kind of looks like an M. So if you take that and you can find where that matches up, you can get it just perfect and you're golden. I just put glue on the white piece of paper, the white circle that I glued the bark onto, and then just find that little M and put it right in there, and you're good. And you don't have to waste the other pieces that you cut. For example, so this would be the inverse of what I did. So you have the light bark and the dark rings, and so this doesn't have to totally go to waste. This is a little sneak peek since this is going to be on the Coffee Lovers blog hop. So I did this card, and I just went ahead and cut this piece again. Just kind of place it randomly, your die, this back on your die, and then you can get this really cool shape that, you know, looks like a coffee stain on this card. So it's really fun. There's so many opportunities, so much you can do with it, and I can't wait to play with it. I can't wait to see what you guys do with it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you later. Bye.